Hey guys, have you ever seen an Excel expert and how he or she travels through the keyboard, very rarely touches the mouse, and you hear the clicking and the tapping of the keyboard? He's familiarized, or he or she familiarizes themselves with keyboard shortcuts, and I can get you to that level where we're gonna do this throughout our channel, and we're gonna show you how it works. This video is dedicated to just giving you the basic about 20 keyboard shortcuts that I've learned throughout my career, and I think it would be useful for you. They are on the screen, and in the upcoming video, we're going to get you to how to use these one by one, and I will also include in the comment section a link to this description as well. Stay tuned. Into it. So one of the things that I always tell people that are learning Excel to use is there are basic keyboard shortcuts. I think it's going to be very useful. Now, most of the time, you're going to be dealing with large data sets or something along the line that is going to require going up and down. So, and you're going to format. So number one thing that I think it's useful for anybody is to do Ctrl A. Ctrl A, all it does is it selects all, and quickly it selects the entire worksheet. Very useful and easy to know. We're going to take these filters off. The next one we're going to do is another very common one, which is copy and paste and cut and paste. So say we want to copy laptop, do Ctrl C and Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now you want to cut, Ctrl X and Ctrl V. Now say you made an error and you want to redo. That is Ctrl Z. Now you want to undo, Ctrl Y. But we're going to bring this back. Your next one is going to be your find. Now you're dealing, again, with a large data set, and you want to make sure you can locate a particular product or category or whatever, and you don't want to go line by line. Simple as just Ctrl F and search mouse, and it's right there. And we also have replace. Now, there are multiple ways to do this, but I'm just going to give you the basic simple one, which is Ctrl H, and that gives you replace. Easy and simple. Your next one we're going to review is you're going to create filters, the ones I just took out. So you click your mouse anywhere in your data, and then you're just going to create that by simply clicking Ctrl Shift L. So that will automatically filter your data or create filters for your data. So Ctrl Shift L, I will do that. Your next one is going to be, now we want to create this into a table. Now a table, there's a video I have about tables. Please check that out. Great stuff. You want to create a table, which is a great way to filter out everything. All the stuff was already in there, formatting everything. And the way to create a table is just Ctrl T and highlights your data, like okay. And all the stuff is in there. This is a great way to design your table, export it, format it, create headers, all this other stuff. So that is Ctrl T. Now, say you're done with this and you want a new workbook. There's a shortcut for that, and that is Ctrl N. Gives you a brand new workbook to create whatever you want to do with it. Say you're done and you want to save, Ctrl S will save your workbook. And your next one is going to be your print. Now, say you want to print and you don't have access to a mouse. This is all obviously without access to a mouse or a way to incorporate this with your day-to-day. So, once you get familiarized with this, I said this in the beginning, it'll be very, very quick and more efficient for you. So to print, Ctrl P gets you to your print detail. And then here you can adjust the parameters. Easy peasy, guys. And then you want to format a cell. So to do that is Ctrl 1, opens up your cell, change it to whatever format or issues or borders or whatever you want to create. Now, your next one is you are in a cell and you're working on a number and you want to change this, but you don't want to delete it. To get into your cell, simple as F2. There, you can adjust it however you like. Your next one is going to be navigate to the end of your line. Now, most common thing to do is to press N down, but there's also pressing Alt arrow keys. Excuse me, Control arrow keys. Here, you go to whichever direction you're trying to go to. Your next one is that you wanted to select a column. Now, to select a column, you press Ctrl Shift. There you go. Your column is selected, highlighted. You don't have to drag your mouse. You want to select the entire row. You press Shift spacebar. Collects the entire row. Now, the good thing about this is that it will collect your row where your data is. You press it again, it'll do the whole row. Very useful. You want to insert or delete a column. Now, to insert a column, you press Ctrl Shift plus. There's your column. You want to insert a row. Now, say you are in a cell and you are writing, but you want to go down another line, is you press Alt Enter. That gives you information you can enter there, which will make your cell look bigger, which is basically wrapping. Now, I'd say you want to switch your tabs. The way to do that is to Control page down or page up. So this is page up, page down. Will switch your tabs if you have multiple. Now, say you want a cell, but you want to create a basic border. So say you want to take these four and you want to create a border around them quickly, is Control Shift and signed. Now we'll give you a border. Now you want to change your price to currency. And the way to do that is to press Control Shift $sign. That will do currency. That about sums up your keyboard shortcut lesson. I ask that you guys repeat this. Follow the description, the shortcuts. As you just saw, there's going to be some times where things might not work, but you got to troubleshoot that. That's the best way you learn in Excel. And as always, hit that subscribe button if you like this stuff. If you have any suggestions or you're interested in anything in Excel, please comment. I love interacting with you guys. So that is all. Thanks again. Appreciate you.